For many parts of the design in a given site plan, you will also have to highlight neighbor roof lines and some elements in the neighbor's property. In this case, we notice that there is a neighbor roof line on the upper side. If we need to highlight that, all we need to do is select Neighbor Roof from the menu and simply trace it on the screen as we see fit. You can basically adjust just like any other elements as you wish. There is the object's name and the trace that you have done. This is how you can highlight the neighbor's roof line.